So here we are. Oculus reached out and they wanted to partner on a video. They sent out their brand new Oculus Quest asking me to check it out. And I said, heck yeah, because this device is very special. It is very different than most VR capable platforms because unlike its competitors, or most of its competitors, you don't need any cables to hook it up to a powerful PC. Everything is self-contained inside the unit itself, and that is very special. The problem is a lot of people are not adopting to VR because they have to have an expensive PC. It has to be powerful, but we're finally at the time to have a device that doesn't require any of that. Now inside the box, we have the headset itself. It's all self-contained with speakers built into the headset. You have cameras surrounding the headpiece. This allows the headset to scan the area in order for it to set up a perimeter. You don't need any expensive equipment or separate devices to create a perimeter. This all does it magically using camera and sensor technology. On the bottom of the device, we have a couple of things. You have your volume rocker over here, and then you have your IPD. This basically allows you to adjust the goggles to basically make sure everything is in focus on the screen. The head strap is adjustable in 3 specific areas: on the left side, the right side, and of course down the middle. So it doesn't matter how big or small your head is, this will be able to fit it. Now the fabric that surrounds the eyepiece is very comfortable on your face. It is made out of this special material that allows your face to breathe while you're wearing the headset. Each eyeglass has a resolution of 1600 by 1440 with a refresh rate of 72 Hertz, which I think for a self-contained unit provides enough fluidity. Other things in the box, you get 2 controllers. This is very, very similar to the Oculus Rift. It's clicky, it has nice functionality. You have your joystick and your Y and X button. They both come with safety straps that you wrap around your wrist so that if you're playing a game and you're going a little bit too fast, it's not gonna fly off and it'll stay nice and secure. You also have a spacer. So if you're someone who wears glasses and needs the extra space inside of the headset, this spacer can be placed inside and then your glasses will be able to fit comfortably. You also get a USB Type-C cable in the box and of course a charging brick. Now one thing I forgot to mention is that these controllers are not using a rechargeable battery. You have to buy AA batteries in order to charge these things. So a couple of things before I show you gameplay. This is being powered by a Snapdragon 835, so you have enough horsepower to play most games comfortably. The power button's on the left-hand side. It has speakers built in, and they actually sound really good for built-in or external speakers. Now you do have headphone jacks on both sides of the device, so if you want more of an immersive experience, you have that option. There's about 50 titles being planned for this right now. Some of the games you've heard of before, others are brand new titles specific to this device. All right, enough chit chat. Let's go see what this thing can do. So this is Beat Saber. This is a very popular virtual reality game. If this is any game that you're gonna buy off right the bat, it's definitely gonna be Beat Saber because this is probably like one of the most fun games you're ever gonna play.
Hey Rocky, what are you doing over there? You gonna teach me how to fight or what?
Oh my God. Whew. It's tiring. Good way to get a workout in. Yeah, stay down. Get up, come on. Come on. Yeah. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with it. Oh yeah, baby.
You can't beat me. I taught you how to fight. You think you're gonna beat your mentor? I don't think so.
So this game's called Robo Recall. I've never played it before, but basically, you're supposed to be a robot in a land of other robots, and kind of like you're the good robot, and all these other robots run around crazy, and you're supposed to try and stop them.
30 seconds left.
Not good, not good. I was just getting started.
Can't move soon.
Daisy, Daisy. Nervous with that smile.
Bam! So that pretty much sums it up for the Oculus Quest. This is an amazing device. We finally have VR for the masses. The ability to have a self-contained unit and not be connected to anything is extremely liberating. Think of headphones. Think of the times you were wearing wired headphones and then you made the switch to truly wireless earbuds. How much freedom did you feel when you made that switch? That's exactly how the Oculus Quest feels today. No smartphone to insert, no PC to connect to, and that is a great feeling. And I think going forward, a lot more people are going to experience VR in a much more positive manner. Anyways, that wraps up this first look at the Oculus Quest. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll place a link in the description down below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.